twice the life of standard incandescent bulbs. Philips offers a wide range of smart light bulbs, lamps, fixtures and accessories. Original equipment quality seal for the most reliable performance. Always replace in pairs to ensure a symmetric light beam from both bulbs on the road. Bulbs dim over time. Philips Automotive continuously strives to provide the best headlight bulbs for your car lighting needs. Philips offers halogen bulbs with up to 100% more light on the road than traditional car headlights. Our Philips Vision LEDs are the first to market street-legal exterior LEDs as a direct replacement for exterior incandescent bulbs, and they to last 12+ years. Philips replacement auto headlights and upgrade headlight bulbs provide greater safety and style, to make the most of your driving experience. Top reviews from the United States. Worked for me. Worked in my 2011 Toyota Tacoma even though Amazon said they wouldn't. I did my own research online and knew this was the correct bulb for a brake light, tail light replacement. I had one bulb out, but like everyone says, replace them both. So I needed 2 but bought 4 because I knew, from reading reviews, they'd arrive with at least one broken one. I was right. Instead of shipping them in a box with padding, they arrive in a plastic pouch. Of course they will break. That being said, the price was fair and it's better than taking a trip to the auto parts store.